modify our company profile, in the next task 11.2, we will do some leave type maintenance. Before I explain, please go to Tools and select General Maintenance, then click on Leave Type. As you can see here, by default the system already created for you 4 types of leave type, which is annual leave, MC, ML, and unpaid leave. So now, what you have to do, you have to refer to the course book task 11.2. We will do one by one. First, we will look under annual leave, which already been created. So under this annual leave, we will click on edit. For the code is AL, description is annual leave, limits limited without advance leave. So this one you have to change. By default, every leave will have the same limits, which is 3 choices: unlimited, limited without advance leave, or limited with advance leave. If you choose unlimited, means the employee can take annual leave, unlimited leave. Even though we already set for them how many days, actually if you choose unlimited, there's no setting for you to set how many days that this employee can take on their annual leave. So if you choose limited without advance leave, means if this employee entitled for 14 days, they can only fulfill or takes only 14 days of their annual leave. There's no advance leave can apply. If you choose limit with advance leave, means let's say it's already end of December and then the employee only have 2 days balance, and they know once reach 1st of January for the next year, this employee will be entitled with the new leave, which is another 14 or 15 days. So they want to apply the annual leave advance by using the future years of leave. So it's depend on how you do the setting. So if your company policy don't allow the employee to take leave in advance, you may choose limited without advance leave. And then we look at the fourth one, which is entitlement calculation method. Under this entitlement calculation method, you can see we have 6 options for you, which is yearly leave by employees join confirmed date, yearly leave by calendar years, earned leave by employee join confirmed date, earned leave by calendar year, advance earned leave by employee join date, advance earned leave by calendar year. So this one, by default, the system will always choose for the first one for the leave, and we always choose the third one. And we always choose the first one for the leave. And then if you want to know the rest of the leave calculation, you can just click on the Control F1, or you can click on our release note. I will show it later. For the parent leave type, just leave it empty. There's no parent leave type. And then this one is encashment leave. So you have to take the encashment leave and then click on Save. Leave type updated successfully. Click on Continue. We look on the second one. Second one is MC. So you click on Edit. For the code is correct, MC. Description is still maintain medical leave. And then this one also we will give limited without advance leave, because usually MC there's no advance leave can be taken. And then entitlement calculation, as you can see here, for the leave, the calculation we always choose the second one, yearly leave by calendar year. So this one by default is already selected for you. And then parent leave type, this one is optional. Parent leave type is like this. Some of the company, they allow hospitalization for 60 days, and in our Malaysian rules for the leave taken of hospitalization, the hospitalization must be not more than 60 days per year, including with the MC. So usually the HR will put the parent leave type with hospitalization. So before you can able to select parent leave type with hospitalization, you will have to create new of hospitalization leave. and then under parent leave type you will choose hospitalization. Means here, if you already take the MC 10 days, means your hospitalization will only left 50 days, because hospitalization will need to include together with MC. So means if accident happen and you have to be hospitalization for 60 days, it will calculate together with MC. So if you already taken MC before you be hospitalized for 4 days, example, so you only can be hospitalization for 56 days. That is the example of calculation. So this one you can enter late or edit later. There's no is unpaid need to take. There's no encashment leave and no leave requires replacement. Just click on save. Leave types updated successfully. Click on continue. The third one is maternity leave. Maternity leave, we click on edit and see. The code is ML, description is maternity leave. And then this one also there's no limit. There's a limited without advance leave. So we don't allow any of women staff to take any advance leave. By right, we don't have any advance leave for the maternity. So if the company already set 60 days, it will be 60 days. They can only either they take the maternity leave earlier before their due date, or during the if they already estimate their due date. So there's no advance leave for maternity. And then automatic for the entitlement calculation, it will using the method of MC also, which is yearly leave by calendar year. So this one, don't until is unpaid, don't until is encashment, and there's no leave requires replacement. Click on save. Leave type updated successfully. Click on continue. And then the last one is unpaid leave. So you will click on edit. For unpaid leave, description is correct. We don't need to change. And unpaid leave is unlimited. So means 1 year. If they already taken all their annual leave, and the rest of the leave will be unpaid leave. So they can take unlimited unpaid leave. Then for the entitlement calculation method will be use yearly leave by employee join or confirm date. So the calculation method will still by using the annual leave method. And then there's no parent leave type we need to select, and then you have to check for is unpaid, there's no entitlement, and then there's no leave required replacement. Click on save. Leave type updated successfully. Click on continue. And then if you refer to our coursework, there's one more leave we have to add on, which is replacement leave. So we click on add new button. For the code here, we put RL. Description is replacement leave. For the limit, is limited without advance leave. So there's no parent leave type. For entitlement calculation method, we're still using the first one, which is same with annual leave and also unpaid leave. And then parent leave type is empty. There's no is unpaid, there's no encashment leave, and there's no leave requires replacement. Just click on save. Leave type replace RL created successfully. Click on continue. So we have done modify and create new our leave under leave type.